Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view shared files in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to view the files which are shared with you in your Picsart account, first open up a Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app guys, you'll land on this interface which is the home interface of Picsart. And from over here at the bottom of the screen guys, on this interface you can see a bunch of buttons available for us, where there is the plus button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and there is the folder or the file button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the folder or the file button at the bottom right corner, and on this interface you'll land over here guys at the top left corner where it says the my files. There is the drop down arrow just beside it. You can see, tap on the my files button at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of drive option will open where you can see the shared with me option available for us. Tap on the shared with me button, and all of the files which I have been shared with you in Picsart will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to view shared files in your Picsart app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.